Good accommodation, easy access and good place. A beautiful place to stay. We stayed in a family room and it had a good view of the city. The concierge staff was very helpful as well. We'll definitely come back again. Wanjin Choaseo. Hotel Punwiki to Anitako Kuncha A San Chekaki to Choasumni Tong Tilda. Sanang Sakali. Samua Staff Hotel Yang Kami Tane Sangat Rama, Sikap, Dan Salalu Siap Membantu. Mary Katurli Het Professional Dan Dangan Sanang Hadi Menjawab Pertanian Kami. P. Lion and Housekeeping Jugabike. Kamar Kami Salalu Dibersai Handangan Rabi Seti Apari. Liboran Kelu Arga Yang Menyan Ankan. Sai Bars Saja Selasai Menjanap Salama 3 Hari 2 Malam Basama Kelu Arga. Kami Memli Hotel Ini Karina, Alasan Memli Hotel, Misal, Lokasanya Yang Strategis, Facilitasnya Yang Lengkap, Atau Review Yang Bagus. Kisan Pratama Kami Satma Masuki Lobi Hotel Langsung Positif. Lopanya Lewis, Bersih, Dan Memiliki Dekorasi Yang Elegan. Staff receptionist juga Sangat Ramadan Membantu Sat Proses check-in. Very impressed, great hotel. Clean, comfortable, terrific location, and a fantastic view of the city and the harbor. I would definitely stay here again. Clean, convenient, and friendly staff, good overall experience. I like the breakfast options and staff were very kind and helpful. Fine to stay near the station. Nice staffs. Clean and quiet room. Nice harbor view. Family vacation. Our family had a great time at the hotel. The staff were friendly and helpful. Value for money, kind staffs, good location. Strongly recommended. Save and enjoy nice views, good breakfast, comfort beds and kind staffs. Don't hesitate to choose. Most of all, best price. Hotel stay okay. Beautiful hotel, really clean, good location, love it. I want to go again. Exceptional, great and clean hotel. Superb, like the hotel design. Good, it was worthy. Nice and clean hotel.